Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import a PDF file into Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're working with a multi-page document, a vector-based design, or a PDF layout you need to edit, Photoshop makes it easy to bring your PDF content in for further customization. We'll cover how to open the PDF, choose specific pages or images, set resolution and color settings, and make sure your file is ready for editing. Let's get started. Importing a PDF file into Adobe Photoshop is pretty straightforward. Here's how you can do it. To import a PDF into Photoshop, first, let us open Photoshop. Click on File and then Open. Browse to your PDF file, select it, and click Open. Then a dialog box will pop up called Import PDF. In the Import PDF dialog, thumbnails will show up for all the pages if it's a multi-page PDF. You can either select pages or the entire pages of the PDF, or you can choose images. Next is choose the pages or images you want to import. Next is to set the resolution. 300 dpi is best for print, while 72 dpi for web use. You can choose different modes such as RGB, CMYK, etc. Then click OK. This next step is optional. If you want to edit text or vectors, once opened in Photoshop, the PDF content will be rasterized. Rasterized meaning it will be turned into pixels. If you need to keep vector paths or editable text, consider opening the PDF in Illustrator first and then importing specific elements into Photoshop. Let me know if you want to import multiple pages or preserve vector quality. There are some tricks for that too. And that's it. You've successfully imported your PDF file into Photoshop. Now you're ready to edit, enhance, or redesign each page just like any other Photoshop project. Whether you're working with text, images, or vector elements, Photoshop gives you the flexibility to bring your creative vision to life. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or drop any questions in the comments. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial.